Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I wanna show you about how to gain free followers and likes by using a small application. And this application is not available in Play Store. We have to download it from Google Play. And the application name is New to Know Plus. And the app link is in description also. By going through this link you can get this application. Before starting the video, please do subscribe to our channel. And watch the video till the end. Okay guys, let's start the video. First, I will show you how many followers to my account before using this application. Okay, I'm opening Instagram. See, there are 0 followers to my account. Guys, I'm already installed this New to Know application. You guys install this application from the Google. I will open directly this account. See, let's sign in. By pressing the sign in, our Instagram login page will be opened. Okay guys, enter our Instagram details here. And this application is safe and secure. And there is no action block and account block. Okay, see, our Instagram page will be open. And press on the tick mark. After this, to ask, do you have any referral code? Yes, we have a referral code, and the referral code is in description. Please copy that referral code and paste here. By using this referral code, we gain some extra crystals. And this is the referral code 164685 and 98. See, we got some crystals. Okay, the interface of New to Know Plus will look like this. See, there are Dynamic Bonus and Energy and Boost. And these are the posts of our Instagram account. And see, there are my followers are 0 and posts are right and following is 0. Okay. And see there, our crystals will be only 3. Okay, now I will show you a step by step how to use this application. And see, this star mark is useful as to gain crystals. By using these crystals, we can get followers. By subscribing those accounts, we will get some crystals. Okay, and next see there, click to start gaining followers. By clicking there, we gain followers. And these are the energies. By using these energies, we will get crystals also. And there are 100 crystals for 1000 energies. And this is the statistics. Our daily bonus and our daily usage will be shown there. And these are the posts. And this is for orders. It shows how many orders we kept to gain likes. And this star mark is for to gain crystals. By subscribing those accounts, we will gain crystals. By using these crystals, we will gain followers. And we can buy these crystals by using our money. And for more crystals, we will send our crystals to another one by using these transfer crystals. We have to enter here is our nickname. That nickname is known as Instagram ID. And enter here how many crystals we want to transfer. And the minimum amount is 100 crystals. And the transfer fee is 25%. That fee will be paid by the receiver. Okay, let's follow these accounts. Okay, I will follow one account. See there, I got 8 crystals. And by following these all accounts, we will get the crystals. By using those crystals, we will gain followers. Okay, I will do it fast. And not only by using the followers, we will gain crystals by using the likes also. When we like someone post, we will gain crystals. And we will give 60 likes per 1 hour. After 1 hour we will try again. Okay, see, come back in 59 minutes, and I will follow these accounts also. Okay, you have already completed 60 tasks. Please wait for 59 minutes. Okay, see, I got 617 crystals. By using these crystals, I will again followers. See, there are only one follower to my account. Okay, let's see how to gain followers. Click to start gain followers. For 10 minutes there are 359, 20 minutes there are 649. Okay, let's use 10 minutes time. Okay, okay, let's check if the followers are coming or not. Okay, gain one follower, 2, and I am gaining slowly. For every 10 minutes we will gain the minimum 30 followers. See, I'll giving likes to my posts. I have 258 crystals and 32 likes. It takes 352 crystals. See, I'm getting likes also, likes and followers. See, again 22 likes. And these all likes are original and there is no fake likes. See, okay, let's update the profile. See, I got 18 likes of 32 likes. And I will show you about these settings. Use light mode and hide automatic hide profile. Use light mode is helpful to us to decrease the usage of internet. Unload others posts and it increases the net. Okay, see, I got 26 followers. And 28 followers I got. See. And see the likes and follows to my account. And it is very easy to gain likes and follows to Instagram account. See, I got 33 followers. And it is hard to unfollow by one. To unfollow multiple accounts, we have to install a small application, and that video I will upload it soon. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and like and comment.